Hi guys, Jamie and Sarah here. We are at the post office right now. We're about to ship out a bunch of stuff that we sold on Facebook Marketplace. We've been trying to sell smaller items just to show you guys that it's not always furniture, that you can sell smaller stuff too. So we're excited to show you some of the super unique and weird stuff we found that we flipped this week.
One more thing to mention before we get started is that we're actually going to be giving away the profits of the flips in this video to one lucky commenter. So stay tuned to the end to find out how you can enter to win.
So I got this cutie pie from Goodwill for $5. It's a cookie jar. It's like a French bulldog.
Sarah was a little unsure about this item at first, but she sent me a picture of it. I was in the car with the girls and I said, get that. That thing is sweet.
I didn't want to walk out with this and him be like, what are you doing to me? Buying more junk. It was $5 and I sold them on Marketplace for $25 plus a little bit of shipping. Facebook will take a 5% fee, and then obviously I have to pay for packaging and the box and that kind of thing. So I'll end up between a $15 and $18 profit on this cute little guy. Stuff like this is really great to sell because you're selling it to people who obviously either have a French bulldog or are buying it as a gift for someone, probably typically. So specific little items like this I find sell really well and quickly because they make really great gifts for someone and they're just really cool.
Something interesting about this is that Sarah actually put that it's a French bulldog cookie jar, and Facebook blocked it because it thought she was trying to sell a real French bulldog. So,
yes. So I had to call it just a cookie jar.
Yeah, so, which I think made it harder to sell because I feel like someone who has a Frenchie would look up Frenchie cookie jar, you know, so.
Yeah, somehow somebody found it.
It's cute. It's cute.
It's really cute.
Cookie jars, who knew?
I see them all the time. And anytime you look them up on eBay, they're like $30 to $50. So I don't know if they actually sell for that, but I did sell this one for $25. Within, I think it took like 5 or 6 days to sell on Marketplace, but still pretty quick. So we're gonna ship this guy out today.
So this coffee pot might look familiar to you. We bought a similar one in a different video, and we thought we were gonna have to donate it back to Goodwill because it was missing some parts. But Sarah listed it on Marketplace anyways just to see if there was any hits because some of them were going for 40 or 50 bucks. And she actually sold that one with the missing parts for $25. These are special coffee pots. They last a really long time, and people, when they break, just find replacement parts for them. So we knew this one would be a good buy at $3.75. So I think what makes this coffee pot cool is that it's a little bit ahead of its time in its design. So it still looks modern even though it's an old coffee pot. And it also heats the water up incredibly fast. We did test this one out and it works. So, and then this is the coffee pot attachment that the other one did not have. So it doesn't look quite as modern as the other one because the other one just had like a cool orange top, but this is actually more functional. So if you ever see these old Norelco coffee pots, definitely pick them up because they're still in high demand even though they're old. So we bought this coffee pot for $3.75. We sold it for $30 plus shipping. So after you factor in all of our packaging supplies and Facebook's commission, we should end up with about a $20 profit on this coffee pot.
So I picked up this little bookshelf dollhouse from Goodwill for $6, and I sold it for $30. She's coming today, so it's pretty dinged up. It's definitely been well played with, and I made sure and list that all in the description. And I also took photos of some of the damage and stuff, but I'm guessing she'll probably paint it. I maybe could have painted it myself and sold it for a little bit more, but at this point I just wanted to make a quick profit. So I bought this for $6, I sold it for $30, so I made a quick $24 profit. So I used to be a little bit anti-Goodwill because they didn't have a ton of furniture and I felt like they were overpriced, but lately I've been having really good luck at Goodwill because I think they have so much furniture that they list it really low because they just want to get rid of it. So their furniture there is really pretty cheap and I've been finding some good stuff.
This coffee table we got on our anniversary camping trip. We drove by Habitat for Humanity Restore in northern Michigan. We always stop at those because they're like little hidden gems. People think they're for construction supplies, but they also have a lot of thrift store type items. So we found this table for half off. It was only $12.50. And you know that rattan stuff always sells really good. So we picked it up and brought it home. We're just gonna take a nice picture of it again and sell it hopefully between $80 and $100.
So I picked up these brass pieces because brass pieces are so easy to sell. They're really trendy right now. All right, so I'm gonna clean up these brass pieces I found. I use this It's called Brasso. It makes it nice and shiny. Sometimes I don't like to use it because I like when things look a little dirtier and like patinaed, but these are like really dirty, so I'm gonna clean them up a little bit. Look at all that pretty detailing. You see that? Oh, this is so cool. I don't even know what this is, but it's like heavy. This is like really satisfying. I'm shipping this thing out today. I bought it for $9. I sold it for $25 plus shipping. So not a huge profit, but not bad for something I just quick picked up. It has really pretty detailing on it. You guys saw me clean this. It's a really unique piece, which I think is why someone bought it. And it's brass, which people love. I have no idea what this is. It's kind of hilarious, but I think it's awesome. So if you guys know what this is, let me know. Some sort of like fancy teapot, tiny teapot.
Sometimes when we're out driving around, Sarah will be browsing Facebook Marketplace just to see if there's any good deals in the area. We especially do this when we're out thrifting and can't find anything. And so that's what happened with this piece. Sarah found it listed for $20, and so she knew right away it was a good value. And she reached out and we were first in line, so we quick drove over and got it. What's unique about this piece is that it's that cool trendy rattan, but it is painted black. We didn't do that, it was like that, but we still thought it was really cool and unique. Rather than repainting this piece, we just decided to leave it as is because we knew it was a good value. So bought this piece for $20. We are hoping to sell it for $80, which will give us a $60 profit. All we did was bring it home and take a nice photo.
Our total profit on all 7 of these items, after factoring in some Facebook Marketplace fees, shipping fees, packaging, that kind of thing, is $208.
Something new we've started doing on this channel is every time we do a flipping video, we give away the profits to one lucky commenter. So all you have to do to enter to win this $208 is comment on this video, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram. And then in the next flipping video, we will draw the winner.
Pretty easy, $208 could be yours.
And the reason we do this is just to encourage you guys in your own financial journey. We think flipping things is a great way to get ahead financially, whether you're paying off debt or investing. And so we just want to encourage you in that. So in the past, we had a video titled "Full-Time Flipping is Easier Than You Think." We just wanted to talk a little bit today about how it's actually not that easy and maybe why you should reconsider. No, we just wanted to be real about our experience with flipping. So if you are thinking about starting it, you can get a full picture of what it's actually like.
So flipping furniture for us has always just been a fun way to make extra money. It's not something that we do full time. We don't rely on it for income. So if you want to get into flipping and do it full time, I think it's possible, definitely. But you might be working more than your 9 to 5 if you did it to make the same amount.
You definitely would be working more, I think. It's a lot of work. It's a grind. So we spent a lot of time flipping these 7 items. It seems easy when you watch a little short, 10-minute video, but it took us a long time.
So what takes all this time is that you have to go out and find all this stuff. So whether you're searching on Marketplace or out thrifting, you have to take the time to list it. If it's heavy, you gotta really kind of break your back to bring it into your house. Taking nice photos, communication with people, being home to set it out for people to come buy it. It's maybe more fun than your 9 to 5, but I wouldn't say that it's easier or even less time, and maybe not more money. So just take all that into consideration before you watch this video and you're like, I'm gonna quit my job and I only have to work a couple hours a week and I can make the same amount. That might not be true.
But we still think you should flip stuff, because what it is going to allow you to do is in your spare time or your extra time, make extra money that could then really get you ahead financially. So you could invest that money, you could pay off debt, you could pay for a vacation or something you've always wanted to do. So there's a lot of power in learning how to earn extra money. So like Sarah said, you could do this full time, but we can't necessarily suggest and tell you it's going to be better than your 9 to 5. It might be a lot more work unless you're doing masonry or something. So
yeah, if you truly hate your 9 to 5, then you should maybe find something else to do. But I would use furniture flipping as a side hustle. definitely, if you want to work towards financial independence, the first thing I would do is get a duplex, start house hacking. That'll take care of your mortgage expenses each month, so you can start working towards quitting your 9-to-5. But I wouldn't quit your 9-to-5 in hopes that furniture flipping will be more lucrative and less work, because that's just probably not the case.
I should mention we've had some really cool comments and stories about people who actually lost their job during the pandemic, and they're able to use reselling as a way to stay afloat during that time.
Totally.
So it's really a great thing to learn and know how to do. We're just saying that, like, as a full-time job, you might get burnt out on it because it is a lot of work. So, but we still think it's a great tool to have in your toolbox. All right, if you enjoyed this video, we're going to link our full furniture flipping playlist below, so you can go check those out. We have a lot more tutorial type stuff where you can actually learn a little bit more about our process and how we flip stuff. All right, guys, it's time to announce the winner from our last video.
$340. It's our biggest giveaway yet.
We appreciate all the likes. The video got 1,000 likes and 783 comments, which is a lot. So
all right.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. If you haven't seen one of our giveaways before, it's very sophisticated. But all we do is we're gonna scroll, and then wherever we stop, whoever's comment that is the winner. So
close your eyes though.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
You do it or me?
You do it.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna do it for like a while.
Okay.
Make it fair.
Go down, up, do a little up. Okay, down more. Okay, stop.
No, I'm not ready. Quit peeking.
Well, I can't see.
Okay, ready? Stop.
Hey!
Rebecca S.
Rebecca S. Rebecca S, you're the winner. Congratulations. She had the idea to the piece we had to trash to use the wood to repurpose to make birdhouses out of. We could have done that, but the point was, I think that we're not expert wood workers. Sarah makes fun of me all the time about how unprecise I am. So
you try your best.
Yeah, so we decided to let someone else take on that project.
So, Rebecca S., if you could email us within the next 7 days to claim your prize, let us know how you want to be paid, we'll verify it's you, and we will send over the cash.
So if you didn't win, I'm sorry, but the good news is there's many more chances to win. Make sure you comment on this video, because we'll be doing the drawing in our next flipping video, and following flipping videos after that will be other drawings. So you have lots of chances to win. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.